Hello student. Today we start the BSc second year, that is paper 7, Fish Developmental Biology. Okay, paper 7, Fish Developmental Biology. Already we are completed, that is unit number 1, Developmental Biology. That unit number 2, next one is the same title, that is the Developmental Biology. Within that, number 1, Marula, already we are completed. Blastula is also we are completed. The third bit, unit number 2, third bit, that is fate map of Blastula. That is the exact position at the location of the formation or the development of Blastula. That is the fate map of Blastula. Okay, this is the theme of the topic. On my right hand side, if you see, there is a figure of fat map of Blastula. Here, that is epidermis, then here mesoderm, neuroplate, notochord, and the endoderm. First of all, you can see the exact position, that is the epidermis, mesoderm, neural plate, notochord, and endoderm. Before that, few points I will explain. On the basis that you can easily understand about the fate map of Blastula. That is the fate map of the Blastula can be prepared after identifying various reasons. What can I say? After identifying various reasons that are distinct to give rise to specific organs of the embryo. Specific organs of the embryo, as map show. Map means this one, that is the map shows, that is presmative ectoderm. Presmative ectoderm means this one. Then mesoderm. Then this is the for development point of view. Mesoderm, notochord, and neural plate, notochord, endoderm. Okay, what can I say? That is the identify various reasons that are distinct to give rise to specific organ of the embryo, such as map shows, that is the presmative ectoderm, mesoderm, notochord, and neural plate. In this, that presmative ectoderm, presmative mesoderm, presmative notochord, presmative neural plate, presmative endoderm also. Endoderm is here, the last point. This is the figure of fate map of blastula. Right? The point of is that the fate map show the position of various presmative organs in the early embryo itself. What the position? That is the position, that is the development shows in the fate map of blastula. That is the fate map show the position of various perspective organ in the early embryo itself. Okay, the blastodermic cells get arranged and organized into well demarcated area called perspective or prospective area during bastulation. During the bastulation, right? Formation of bastulation, the position, that is the all position, that is the perspective, epidermis, mesoderm, neuroplate, notochord, endoderm. All of the position that where, that is the during the bastulation phase. This area can be mapped out on the surface of embryo and relate to their future to their further in the further process of development. Okay, then on the right hand side, the figure is same. The cell located in the anterior region of blastoderm are perspective ectodermal. Okay, then destined to form the ectoderm. distinct to form the ectoderm. Then those present in middle forms, they are the mesoderm, in the middle. This one the mesoderm. While still other laying in the caudal region, means below. Caudal region are distinct to form the endoderm. Last one. Caudal region means this. When you say the caudal fin, that is the last point of the fish or last point of the beak. That is the endoderm of the further embryo. The perspective notochord, this one. This one the notochord, where it is below the neuroplate. The perspective notochord cells occupy a middle position, while the mesodermal cells fan out laterally to rest along the posterior margin of the respective epidermal, that is the ectodermal area. Epidermal area, that is the epidermal area. Nothing but the ectodermal area. Respective epidermis area. Okay, all are the formation in the time of gastrulation. Then the prospective neural ectodermal area lie in front of the notochord. Components in the form of a rod of cells. This figure, rod of cells. Anteriorly, the posterior margin of the epidermal ectoderm and laterally the prospective area of the mesodermal cells. In Salamo fish, some example, the prospective mesodermal area is present all around the margin of blastoderm. This is one of the examples of fish. That is the uh, fat map of blastula can be prepared after identifying the various regions. Okay.